Another reason some people have left the church, left the faith, is the extreme polarization of positions and opinions. And notice I didn't say facts. You can't polarize facts. Facts are facts. You can. I think one of the big problems is people treat their opinions as facts, and that's just not true. It's an opinion, and it's perfectly fine. Hold your opinion, but you cannot treat it as the same as a fact. And some churches, some ministers, some Christians demean, belittle, insult, and alienate anybody who doesn't hold to their point of view. There was a period of time at church where I was engaged in social justice issues. We were caring for homeless people and the poor and the marginalized, and social justice issues, racial equality, and unity at least, outreach among underprivileged and disadvantaged demographics. And when I did, I was called a snowflake. I was called a woke pastor preaching a woke gospel, and other insulting terms. I was repeatedly attacked by ministers within my own group. I was attacked by churchgoers because I refused to regurgitate some specific media outlets' headlines. I was actually called a, quote, puppet of the liberal news media, and which, if you know me, that's just absolutely ridiculous. I wasn't watching liberal news outlets. I was not watching the ultra-conservative news outlets, so I couldn't possibly be a puppet for them. Instead of interpreting the Bible through the lens of culture, I was interpreting our culture through the lens of the Bible. And namely, one scripture that came to mind is 2 Peter 3:11. What sort of people ought we to be in lives of holiness and godliness? And for that, I was attacked and I was insulted simply for doing what Jesus did, caring for the lost, caring for the broken, caring for the hurting, caring for the poor, looking out for the outcasts, going to them, preaching the gospel to them, and trying to minister to people that no other church wanted to deal with. And for that, I was attacked. And this is frustrating because the gospel that Jesus preached is one for, going after the poor, going out for those outcasts. Yet when I was trying to minister to the outcasts, I was attacked. And so we look at the Bible and we see one version of Christianity, and we look at our local church and we see a different version of Christianity. And those two polarized versions make people, when they start to read their Bible, make people upset, because what I go to church, what some people go to church and witness is not what the biblical version of Christianity is. And it has caused people to deconstruct it.